This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set Opera as your default web browser. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Opera here. Okay, I have the Opera web browser opened up now. To set Opera as your default web browser, first thing you want to do is go up to the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. You want to click on that. Then you want to scroll down toward the bottom, and right here, default browser. You just click on make Opera default browser. Now Opera is my default browser. Thanks for watching.